Very yummy. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shinra, OFW cooking vlogger and food lover. And today's vlog guys, I'm going to cook a stir-fried chicken with leek. Ayan guys, very easy and simple. You guys, this is whole chicken. I cut into a small pieces. Okay, follow me guys. Let's start cooking now. Okay guys, slice na natin ang ating leek. We have our onion and then we slice our garlic. Ginger. Okay guys, let's start cooking now. So I add a little bit of oil. Konti lang guys kasi para painitin lang yan natin yung kawali. Mainit na siya. Then let's put all the chicken inside guys. Put all the chicken in the wok. Ayan. Okay. Cover it for a few minutes guys. Okay guys, let's open it. Ayan. So, okay, napoproduce pa siya ng water at saka oil niya guys. Let's wait na until it's look a little bit golden brown guys. Okay guys, ayan, lumalabas na yung kanyang oil. Let's see guys, ayan. Ayan o. Lagyan mo na natin ng ginger guys. 3 pieces of ginger. Ayan. Try natin. Tapos, a little bit of garlic and carrot. So, bigyan natin sa dito, no? Then, lagyan natin siya ng salt. This is salty wine. One tablespoon of light soy sauce. Ayun guys, look very nice. Spoon of oyster sauce. If not enough guys, pwede nyo siyang dagdagan naman. Okay. Panunuot natin yung ingredients guys. Then, ililipat natin siya sa kabilang pot. Ayan na guys. Okay, pag natuyo na siya guys, ita-transfer natin siya sa pot. Ayan. Okay guys, ita-transfer natin siya sa pot. Huwag na, huwag na. Ayan guys. Okay. Add pepper. Black pepper or white pepper. Para may sunog flour. Pepper nagpapasarap sa ating chicken. Okay, mix together. Okay guys, and add water. And let it boil guys. Okay, add more water. Let's add our ginger, garlic, and more shallot. Then pakuluan muna natin guys. Okay guys, let's open it and ayan, we add rock sugar. Okay guys, let's open and then we put our leek. Ayan. One tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And we add more pepper. Yummy sauce. Okay. Perfect. Then simmer for a while. Okay guys, this is our chicken now. Ayan, let's simmer for a few minutes and then it's ready to serve na. Ayan, very yummy. Okay guys, let's put a little bit of Szechuan. Okay, this is the last part. Para mabango yung ating chicken. Ayan na siya. This is ready to serve. Okay guys, this is our stir-fried chicken with leek. Very delicious. Ayan, very yummy. Wow. watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click and watch the next video. Guys, bye. Thank you.